Hey there guys, it's Stilson 101, and today, some more Resident Evil, where hopefully I won't have to fight another four-legged molded. So I think today is going to be a quicker Resident Evil 7 video. So hopefully I don't die, because then that would be very bad for my minuscule of a YouTube channel. To not upload. Why don't I just always start the recordings after this loads? Or learn to jump cut. Either way. So, where we left off last was after the basement. Now, I have no oh, I remember. I gotta fight Jack. Alright, so that's what we're gonna be doing in this episode, fighting Jack. That's probably all we're gonna be doing in this episode. Alright, finally. I don't think I need to put up anything. Pretty sure I'm taking the long way. Yep, there we go. I don't care if I know what happens and I've played through this game 50 times. I'm still gonna close the doors behind me. I got the right ammo. So this is literally the only weapon that I have. So if I remember, nothing I care about over there. So if I remember, I may get the broken shotgun. I probably won't though, because then that would be breaking my own rules. So here we go. That was quick.
You go get it now.
Use it. Well, this is gonna be fun. Is there anything to help me? Circular saw. Wouldn't be that bad of a weapon to have. Alright, time to go back into the abyss. Yep, I took the long way. Oh wait, hang on, I gotta follow my rule. There we go. It's circle to do the quick turn. I thought it was the... I thought it was X. Every time I hear that sound, I always think something bad's gonna happen. I don't even know why. Alright. Did I get everything in here that I care about? Yep, I did. Well, great. That's violent. What? I am speechless.
Do me a favor and stay dead.
Wow. That circular saw is the greatest weapon in Resident Evil history. Why did I not take that sooner? What was the point of that? Oh, yeah, to get the red thing. That is just unbelievable levels of unfair that this thing has. I mean, I thought it was... I took the long way again. Dang it. I mean, that was just quick. Should I save? Nah, I'm not gonna save. I'm out of here. I don't need to use my gun. Use that. Well, I'm officially about a quarter of the way through with the game. Ooh. I have 3? Heck yeah, I'm gonna use one. Repair kit. Should I repair the shotgun? I mean, I said I wouldn't. But if the repair kit's there, then what's in here? But I said I would only use unlockables. Ooh. I mean, I said I would only use unlockables, but... I mean, these guys are good. Grand Launcher's right there? Nice. long did the Magnum? Takes 9? There are 3 cassette tapes right here? Oh, I've got this. I've so got this. I have so got this. I have 7 antique coins. Nice. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna repair it. But I'm not gonna use it. Yet. I'm gonna wait until where I said where I'd start struggling, which was after the Marguerite fight. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait to use it, which is probably the worst mistake I've ever made. Honestly, I don't think I'll need it. The circular saw. Ray launcher. I don't need it. Man, if you can make something like that, everybody would. What is it? Increase max health indefinitely. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. Alright. Well, I'm gonna go a little bit farther, probably. Oh, I didn't want to get the stabilizer. Honestly, I could probably get both. Just need one. There we go, get the steroids. Put that in there. Alrighty. You know, I'll finish this phone call and then I'll end the video. Where's the phone? There it is. Man, I'm an idiot.
You made it. You're the first I've ever seen you make it this far.
So what is it you need me to do? Is it going to help me get out of here?
Yes. Now listen carefully, Ethan. My family and our bodies are contaminated. I can't leave the property unless I get it out. And the same goes for Mia.
Is there a way to get it out?
We need a serum. It should clear whatever this stuff is out of the body, as long as you're not too far gone.
Alright, so where is it?
If I knew where one was, I'd already be long gone. But I have a feeling my mother has hidden some inside the old house somewhere.
So if we get this thing, I can help Mia and we can get out of here?
Right. And so can I. The old house is near the water. You can't miss it.
Alright.
I just hope you can handle my mother.
Your mother?
Be careful. They'll be looking for you.
Alright. Well, we've got this. I cannot screw this up. I have a shotgun, a absolutely amazing saw, and the best pistol. So I can, and that was scary, and 6 cassette tapes. So I've got this. So I'll pick it up tomorrow, and I want to get a little bit farther. Hang on! Those are empty cassette tapes. Couldn't I just fill them up? Just find a camera somewhere around here? There's gotta be something. Find like some camera and record stuff. Honestly, this is a pretty cool little RV. Yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this shorter Resident Evil 7 video. This is probably going to be the new length of them because I just don't like the longer Resident Evil videos. So I think about 15 minutes is pretty good. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I will definitely be back extremely soon. To end it off, I'm gonna do one nice shotgun blow.